Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, S.M.W. Outdoor Fishing Adventures. Today we're making our first trip out to the lake. I'm not sure what it's going to do, but it's pretty brisk out here. But I'm all bundled up and I'm not sure what's going to happen, but it's the first time out. Ice out probably about a week or so. I'm going to just carry 3 poles today. Let's see, we're going to probably do a Ned rig. I got a lipless crank on, and I'm going to beef it up with a 1/2 ounce spinnerbait. So what I'm going to do is target some warmer water if I can find it. Usually what you do is target those flat surfaces, try to find some black dirt, find some rocks. Heat really goes in rocks quick, and find some old vegetation from last year which holds the oxygen in the water for the fish. So I'm going to try to target all those areas. Like I said, I'm not sure what it's going to do, but it's fishing, not catching, so we're going to try. And if we catch a fish, we catch a fish. That's a bonus. So let me get down to the lake and get bundled up, and we'll see you then. Bye. Okay, everybody, welcome back. We're at the lake now, and basically what we're going to try to do is try to find where the warmer water is, like I was kind of explained in my intro. I came back to this lake. It's a smaller lake, and of course smaller lake is going to warm up quicker. Ice just went out basically a week ago, so I'm not sure what's going to happen today. I'm going to try to slow things down with the jig. I really beefed it up with a heavy spinner bait, really slow it down, and a Ned rig. So we're going to start there, and I got some crankbaits. So those are my 3 presentations for today. You can kind of see in front of me. I'm not sure if you can or not, but that's all black sand. Same with pretty much the rest of the lake. You get over to the more of the eastern part of the lake. That's a lot of old vegetation in there. Well, of course, it's going to come up, so that'll hold fish. Anything where they're going to look for oxygen, go over by that stumpage. If we make it all around there today, that's all rock on the other side, so that holds fish. So let's go about this and see what we can do. I'm gonna probably start out with this jig here and then go to a spinnerbait. Again, I'm just gonna fan cast this this beach here and see what we can do. I'm just gonna work it real slow. Swim it, pop it. What I got on here is a Casey Scanlon jig, and it's just a little chunk of I don't know, it's like just a little creature bait, I guess you might as well call it. And I believe that is a 3/8 ounce. Kind of did a lot of homework on ice out, because I mean this is probably the first year I really fished ice out. I forgot who it was, but it was basically he said to go down to a 5-to-1. So well, I should say 5-to-1, but using all spinning reels, because they go down to 5-to-1. There's some 6-to-1s, I guess, but that makes me want to go out there and try to find a baitcaster 5-to-1. I know they're out there. Ardent don't have them. Should say doesn't have them. So what I'm using today is basically of course all Ardent products. Let's see here. This one is my tournament series, 6.5-1, 8 ball bearings. Got it teamed up with my Jawbones, all 7-foot medium action, and all my reaction fluorocarbon line. I believe this is 12 pound I spooled on these. And you're probably wondering, how come no kayak? Well, a couple things. One, it's cold out. The water temperature, I'm not sure exactly what it is. But I don't want to fall in and have nobody out here to help me. So you're fishing a tournament, there's so many kayaks, they're going to be visible to you. So that's, plus I got to get everything all in. I'm going to probably work on it tomorrow, fish on Monday. I got of course, my fish locator. I said in my last video it was a Humminbird Helix. It is actually a Lowrance Helix. So I decided to go with that. It gave me a kind of a good deal. I'm not on their pro staff or anything, but I was going to get a Garmin, but I wanted a sticker to put on my kayak, and I couldn't even get them to respond to an email for a sticker. So the other rods I'm going to play with today, I got one of my Rangers. In an Arrow 2000 series. I'm not sure what Arden is right now as far as product. They're still a little low. Good thing I'm pretty beefed up on reels. I think I'm all like 6 backups. So tournaments, I'm going to pull these off, and then I'm going to switch. I got, I think, 2 tournaments in stock or on my shelf. I got 2 more Rangers, 3, I think, 2000, and I got 2 3000 on the shelf. So I got 2 other Reapers. So I got a lot of stuff. So I got my waders on, so we're going to wade this today. I hope I don't fall in. It's really nice out. There's a fish over there. See if I can get him to bite. Like I said, I'm not sure what today's going to bring. I'm not sure if those fish are still hanging deep. So all I guess we can do is try, but it's nice to get out here again. It's been, I think, 7 months of downtime of making just unveil videos, and it's fun doing that, but I like to be out on the water, of course. And don't forget to sign up for the Reaction Tackle t-shirt, $10 gift certificate or gift card giveaway that I'm doing. I believe it's like a $27 value. Alright, one more cast with this, and we're going to a couple casts, I think, with the spinnerbait. We're going to move up a little bit. Casey Scanlon and his buddy, they're the owners of Trophy Bass Company. Of course, he's a pro fishing a lot of different series, and these are all designed by him, these baits. Also, I got a pretty big order coming in from Trophy Technology today. I'll probably do an unveil with those. I got a whole pallet coming in on everything in their series. A lipless flat side. I have some, but I got my special box for tournament. Those are my vintage those are my vintage cotton cordels, and I don't want to use them, only for tournaments. But for sure, go to Reaction and Reaction Tackle, and I'm not sure what that's over there. Somebody's dog. Again, I'm on their pro staff, so check them out and follow my my videos. And every month, just follow my video. I'll leave their link to their site, and every purchase you make, you'll get 15% off your order. Again, I don't make anything off it. It's just give me back to them for how well they treat me. So hopefully next week I'll get my kayak out. I'm waiting for battery box to tie down my battery, and we have life jacket coming. Let's throw some spinnerbait for a little bit here. Here, I just put a little chunk on, like a little frog type thing, so. Just really slow things down. Got a little stick there I keep on hitting. And this is the Ranger I'm using. Same gear ratio as the Tournament. This one is 6-to-1 ball bearings. And today I'm just carrying 3 rods. Normally when I shore fish, I've been carrying, if you look at my past videos, I carried 4. So I'm just going to reel along and once stop and stutter it. All right, I think we're going to move up a little bit here. If you see my hand a little bit in the GoPro, it's that we are just like in practice mode today, so I just want to make sure everything's working. I brought, like I said, a couple. I think these lipless crankbaits I got. Those are the ones from Bass Pro Shop. And like I said, the other one is the other running a little Ned system, and both of those are from Reaper Bait Company. I'm on their pro staff, and basically that's what I'm going to run this year, other than smart baits or whatever is going to work, I guess. I guess if you're fishing tournaments for money, you got to fish for whatever is going to work. I hope my waders too don't have any holes in. And I'm not sure how long my legs are gonna. This water's pretty cold. My waders are insulated, but so I'm gonna set my rods down here. Then I'm gonna work this flat in here. Let's see here where we can set these. Let's see here. All right, people, we are back. Sure getting hung up a lot today. It's starting to get a little windy. I don't know if I can get up this hill from here. I don't think so. Already quit. I can't though. This water's cold on my feet. It's 2:30. No. We got another tree bass. Oh, people. It's only going to get better. Right in there is where I caught that big one last year. I think I'm going to throw the spinnerbait again a little bit here. Those geese are sure talking. Must be ready to breed, or they are in breeding mode. Well, people, I think I'm going to call it quits for today. The water's pretty cold and my legs are starting to cramp up a little bit. Like I said, Monday is going to be another fishing day. So hopefully we can do a little bit better. The weather's supposed to be about the same, a little bit warmer. So, but like I said, I'm going to go on the other side of the lake and work that. I really wasn't thinking. I don't know why I thought this side was going to be the side I needed to fish, but other than that, I would like to thank everybody that makes this all possible. Ardent. Let's see here. We got American Tackle Company, Reaper Bay Company. We have Trophy Technology. We have Trophy Bass Company, Line Cutters, and we have Mickey Finn Outdoor Products and Telray's polarized sunglasses. And also make sure you subscribe to the giveaway. So all you need to do is go to King Sumo, enter your email address, and you'll be all set there. What else we got going on? Well, that's pretty much should be it, I would think. So, till next time, we're going to be, like I said, Monday is another fishing day. And like everybody that's been viewing, been been loyal to me. Subscribers have grown a little bit. My views are pretty up. But other than that, I could use a few more subscribers. So please hit the subscribe button, the notification button, comment bad or good. So everybody that's fishing down south and north now, practice catch and release and stay safe. Until next time, bye.